Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the door handle and catch on a Hoover washing machine. If your door isn't shutting correctly or the machine isn't starting when the door is shut, it's likely that there is a problem with the door handle and catch and it will need to be replaced. I'll show you how to replace these in this video to get your machine up and running again. For this fix, you will need a pair of pliers, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver with a T25 and a T20 head, and of course a new door handle and catch, and you can find a link to these in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To access the door handle and catch, you need to remove the whole door from the washing machine itself. To do that, you need to undo the two T25 screws that hold the door hinge to the appliance, and then lift off the hinge and the door assembly together. Now I've removed the door, I've placed it on top of the washing machine. The first thing I'm going to do after removing the door is take a picture of the way that the striker is facing, so that when I replace the door handle and catch, I can use that photo as reference to make sure it's facing the right way before I put the door back on. Now I've switched to a 20 Torx head, as I need to remove all the screws that hold the two pieces of the door together. Then you can use your flathead screwdriver to very gently separate the two parts of the door and prise apart. With the two pieces of the door separated, you can now use your pliers to pull out the pin from the door handle and catch. And then lift up the handle itself, and then remember to retain the spring and the striker, as these may not come with the door handle. However, if they're damaged, you will need to purchase these separately. To find the correct door handle for your machine, you're going to need to know your appliance's model number. This will ensure you're getting the correct part for your particular machine. If you're unsure about where to find the model number, check out our video here, how to find the model number on a washing machine, for further advice. Then I can assemble the door handle, the striker and the spring using the photo I took earlier as a reference, and place them carefully inside the door before then fitting the pin through all of them. Like so. With your new door handle in place, you can then reattach the outer door to the inner door, making sure that you line up the handle cover correctly with the handle, and then click it into place, and then fit your Torx screws to secure the two pieces together. Then you can replace the door assembly onto the washing machine, hook the hinge into place first, and then refit the T25 Torx screws. Now your machine is back up and running again, why not make sure you're using it as efficiently as possible as well? Check out our video here that will give you some great tips on how to use your washing machine to save money on your household energy bills. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more repair guides, maintenance advice for all your appliances, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.